Hi gang, welcome back to the channel. Tailgates and Toolboxes here, and we have another food review. Actually, it's not a food this time, it's a beverage. And what do we have today? Ta-da! We have Canada Dry Cherry Fruit Splash. This flavor has been out a while. It's not a new flavor. They also have, just released a strawberry fruit splash ginger ale, and I just did a review in another video on that. So we're going to try this flavor. So let's open it up. Excuse me. Smell it. You do smell the cherries. Let's do a pour. This one's got a, I don't know, like a pink hue to it, like a pink tint to it. And before I get ahead of myself, I wonder if this is going to remind me of, you know what this looks like? Shirley Temple. I wonder if that's what this is going to remind me of. You got the color. It reminds me of a Shirley, like a light Shirley Temple. Shirley Temple is usually darker. Smell it. Definitely smell the cherry. Let's go for a taste. Yep. That kind of reminds me of a Shirley Temple. You definitely taste the ginger ale, and on the back part of it, like the drink, like before you go to swallow, you definitely taste the cherry. It's reminds me of a Shirley Temple, like a weak Shirley Temple, non-alcoholic Shirley Temple. Let's put it that way. I think Shirley Temple's a non-alcoholic anyway. Usually Shirley Temples are a little bit darker, but that's exactly what this reminds me of, a weak Shirley Temple. It's not bad. I'd rather drink this than the strawberry fruit splash I just did a video on. Out of the two flavors, I'd rather drink this if I had to, if I needed ginger ale, if I want to drink ginger ale. This has a good flavor to it. So, all right, it's not bad. Like I said, tastes like a Shirley Temple. It's called Cherry Fruit Splash. It's the can. And this was at my local Stop and Shop. You can only find it in a case. 12 cans for $10 plus tax and deposit. I did not see these in individual bottles or anything. So far, it's in the can. So, all right. I mean, if you like Shirley Temples, give this a try. Like I said, it's a kind of a weak version of a Shirley Temple. But, I mean, overall, it's not bad. So maybe you want to give it a try. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Trying to build up the channel. Don't forget to hype up the video. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.